Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on If You're Into Huck's World, and welcome to Triple Play Saturday Round 1. Now we got a nice lineup of watch faces for you all for Triple Play Saturday, so make sure you check out every round. All watch faces today are going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store, and you know how it go. Download ASAP before free becomes paid. Now let's check out this watch face for round 1, and the name of it is called Iris 50. John gets down on these digital watch faces, and he's always donating freebies. So if you have not checked out his page, check out this guy's page. I will leave a link in the description down below for this watch face. But with that being said, let's get started. Now again, the name of the watch face is called Iris 50. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice, simple digital time for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. And when the watch face is on, it has a really nice look. You get an analog theme with a digital watch face. And I like the way he blended the colors. You got this analog theme that's black. You got this round grayish theme, right, with the days of the week going around it, and it's lit up in yellow to let you know exactly what day of the week it is, and that looks super awesome. And then your background in the middle is black. Really brings this watch face together. Now the video isn't going to do it justice because the time is actually orange. It looks nice, big and bold. It's going to come in 24 hours and 12, and you're going to get your date at the top, you're going to get your month, you come down, you're going to get your heart rate, and you got a beating heart at the same time, which is yellow, and down right up under that you're going to get your battery percentage. Now the watch face is interactive, surprisingly. If I tap on the 15, I can pull up my calendar. If I tap right here, I can pull up my music player, and if I tap right here, I can go into my heart rate. I'm telling you, the guy did a really good job with this one. Thank you for the donation, my friend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Triple Play Saturday Round 1. So what do you think thus far? Is this a download, or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Continue to enjoy the rest of your weekend, but most of all, be safe, and I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.